Have you been down and out? Have you been humiliated? Are you depressed? Are you looking for a way to pay your bills? I got good news for you. I want to tell you that there's light at the end of the tunnel. If I can, you too can. The amount YouTube is paying content creators in 2024 is mind-blowing. And according to statistics, content creation is plunging just higher. So if you're looking for a video from someone so common, someone you don't know, not a tech guru, not Elon Musk, to motivate you to start a YouTube channel, this is the video for you. I'm going to make this video as real as possible. I don't normally make this kind of video on my channel. I base my work strictly on Afro beats and my piano. You know, we'll start off the party. You're guaranteed to hit the dance floor 24 hours on my channel. But how did I start? I started making use of artificial intelligence. I'm an artist. I sing, I dance, I produce. But the amount of information, the amount of creativity I have, the kind of things I want to create, I do not have the finances to be able to go into those projects. Luckily enough, I found a gold mine. With the high rise of artificial intelligence, I was able to find an app that can create music. So I've had thousands and thousands of lyrics on my lyrical channels. I create masterpiece. So I was able to gather up my work and put it into artificial intelligence. It created my music, I produced it and sent to YouTube. My brother, in less than a couple of days I got monetized. And mind you, I've been on YouTube for more than 4 years. I was teaching English to Brazilian students, but actually here, the kind of life we live, nobody actually pays time. And most especially, I'm a black man. No one gives us opportunity, so we'll create one for ourselves. So, and I watched on my statistics, most of my viewers come from Africa, Mozambique, Rwanda, South Africa. So if you're a young guy, just like myself, or a young woman that wants to make money on YouTube, bro, as a Nigerian, the average salary, I don't even wish it on my enemy. What I made in YouTube in 1 week, a salary earner doesn't make it in a month. And there's no so much work to do. Just bring my creative idea, give it to artificial intelligence, and it produces a masterpiece. No disrespect to Burna Boy, for example, but before Burna Boy finishes a track, I've done 10 albums. I'm not at his level, but with what I'm doing, I can be able to put food on my table, which is the most important thing. So if you're looking for a video to motivate you to be able to start up a YouTube channel, this is the video. I'll be showing just the little I made in 1 week, and with the kind of dedication I put into anything I do, I know I ain't going to suffer no more. So just this is the little I can give back to anyone who is in a situation like this, because everything I learned I learned it here on YouTube. So I'll be doing injustice to YouTube, to you as well, if I do not bring into summarization the little I've learned. So please, if you like this kind of content, hit that like button, subscribe so we can grow together. But if you like music, my brother, you're on the right channel. Afrobeat, Amapiano, R&B. Only a trial will convince you. Thank you so very much for being here with us. And nice, for little.